The Middlerock Caravan Park is located approximately 3.5 hours north of Sydney, 45 minutes north of Newcastle in New South Wales. Welcome to the Middlerock Holiday Resort here at 1 Mile on the beautiful Port Stephens coastline. This is one of those spots where you can slow down, breathe, and enjoy everything the Aussie outdoor has to offer. The park is spread out, plenty of space, clean grounds, really relaxed atmosphere. Whether you're staying in a cabin, villa, or pulling in with the caravan, everything is easy to access and well kept. One of the highlights here is the pool area. You've got a big resort style pool, a splash zone for the kids, and plenty of room to sit back and enjoy the sunshine. The amenities blocks are clean and well looked after, which is always a big plus when you're on the road. The facilities are modern and spotless. There's a great camp kitchen, barbecue areas, and everything you need for a comfortable stay. I personally really like the unpowered area, where you are well away from the main caravan and cabin area. Middlerock also offers something a little different. Their glamping tent's tucked away in one of the quieter corners of the park. It's a perfect mix of camping and comfort. Inside, the tents are fully furnished with proper beds, lighting, and everything set up and ready to go. And just a short walk from the park is 1 Mile Beach, one of the most stunning beaches in Port Stephens. Soft sands, rolling waves, and that classic coastal feel. It's ideal for swimming, surfing, or just taking a quiet stroll. Middlerock Holiday Park is a great base for exploring Port Stephens or just kicking back for a few days. Friendly staff, great facilities, and an unbeatable location right near the beach. If you're travelling through the area, it's definitely worth a stay.
It was the last night we let the liquor talk. I can't remember everything you said, but we said it all. You said that you wish I was somebody you never met. And baby, something's telling me this ain't over yet. No way it was the last time we can't remember everything we said, but we said too much. I know that you stuck. I got my first real 6-string. I bought it and found it in town. I played it on the finger and play. It was summer of '69. Me and the guys from school.
Thanks for watching. If you like our videos, please give us a like, and if you subscribe to our channel, it really helps us along.